Did Mesa officers cross a line during a 2018 arrest? That's what the federal Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals is now considering.
After the hearing today, they'll decide whether to require a full civil rights trial about the videotaped beating of Cole Spencer. And a warning, it's a story that's hard to watch.
ABC15 investigator Melissa Blasius has been covering this case for years and talked exclusively to Spencer's mom.
After his arrest in 2018, Cole Spencer was almost unrecognizable by his own mom.
If I didn't know that was him, I wouldn't have recognized him.
5 years later, a 3-judge federal appeals panel probed how Spencer, a passenger during a traffic stop, would end up beaten, choked, and tasered, then arrested.
He was actively resisting in this case, and he was fueled by meth and DMT.
Even if we concede that there was initial resistance when Officer Rosema tried to handcuff Spencer, the use of force escalated in such a way that even from that point, it may be found to be excessive.
Both Mesa officers and MCSO deputies were on the scene. Most of the blows were inflicted by Mesa officer Aaron Pugh. A lower court ruled in favor of the officers. The appeals judges are asking about specific civil rights issues now, how officers trying to get someone in handcuffs can use necessary force, but not unlimited force.
How does taking his head and smashing it into the ground 4 times succeed in advancing getting him into handcuffs? I don't understand that.
Right. Well, the officers didn't just start out with the significant uses of force like this. They were starting out slow. They tried to arrest him with the normal means, and they slowly escalated their force. But they're escalating levels of force.
I don't think it was slow. That was pretty fast escalation.
A lesser amount of force is allowed after someone is handcuffed.
Once Spencer was handcuffed and laying prone on the ground, Pugh still drove his knee into his back for over a minute.
Like, breathe. You can breathe.
Spencer later pleaded guilty to prior burglaries and to aggravated assault for shoving one officer at the start of the 2018 incident. Now he's in state prison.
None of this gets him out of prison.
No. Oh, no.
So why fight so hard so long?
Because he should never have been beaten the way he was. I think it was excessive. And maybe this won't happen to the next person.
I'm investigator Melissa Blasius, ABC15 Arizona.